Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you can you view Instagram without an account? Yes you can, but that requires exact username of that person you want to view. Now let's go ahead on one of the web browser and on the search bar search instagram.com. So here you are asked to log in when you put in the instagram.com, but let's say you know the person's exact username whom you were looking for. Now let's go back to search bar and search for https://www.instagram.com and that person's username. Now you can view at the Instagram feed and their grid without having an account, as I am not logged in at all and I can still see everything here. I can only look at the grid, so if I try to click on videos or anything else, then it won't let me do, and it keeps on promoting me to sign up. What I can't do is I can't look on anything that they are tagged in and can't look at any of their videos if they have any. So this is how you can view Instagram without an account. Thank you for watching.